Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make homemade organic Nutella from scratch. So the first thing you want to do is roast your hazelnuts at 350 for 15 minutes more or less. Again, roast them, not burn them the way I did. But if you do happen to burn them, just peel the skin off and remove all the hazelnuts that you can and only keep the ones that are good. And then you want to blend them in the best blender that you have for about 30 seconds. You can use cocoa powder. I personally prefer CAROB powder, which is a substitute for cocoa powder. They both taste very similarly, but cocoa powder is easier to find. And I'm adding 3 tablespoons more or less. I also used around 3 teaspoons of non-refined cane sugar, but you can use any type of syrup if sugar is not something that you want to use. Blend it all again and add a little bit of milk. I am using organic rice milk, but you can use any type of milk that you want. And in case you put syrup instead of sugar, you will want to add less milk. And voila, here you have your organic homemade Nutella. You can put it in literally everything, but I made pancakes, so I'm going to put it in that. It goes very well with any type of fruit, bananas, raspberries, strawberries, anything you like. I hope you enjoyed this video.